Chuchu Beauty's newest lip tints are here and today sa video na to, subukan natin sila. I have been a big fan of Chuchu Beauty's lip products, so when I saw these, sobrang na-excite ako. And ito guys, I have all of the shades dito sa mga new lip tints nila, so today is swatch natin silang lahat. Dalawa yung variants na meron sila for their lip tint. Juicy Dew Tint, which is an existing product, and Cloud Matte Tint, which is yung bago. And just look at the packaging. It is so nice. And both of them have the same applicator. Very Chuchu Beauty branding, diba? It's fun and exciting. Both variant ng lip tint is 299 pesos each and each tube merong 3 ml product. Ito yung first nating isa-swatch, Juicy Dew Tint, which I personally love and use. I have here 3 shades na madalas kong gamitin. All of these have multiple lip-loving ingredients, making them more hydrating, nourishing, and juicier. And just look at the component glow up. One of my top favorite local lip tints for sure. Ang ganda kasi ng formula niya. It's very nourishing. Pigment, I mean, just look at that. And maganda yung stain na iniiwan niya kasi true to color siya. As in, sobrang lapit sa initial application. This is so nice. Ito yung isa sa mga newest shades, which is called Taffy, a pure rose. Look how even it is on the lips. And yung dewiness niya sa lips, sobrang perfect. Ganda ng formula nito. If you haven't already, you have to try this. Tapos yung ano niya, finish niya, di ba? Kapag ka pinapress yung lips, wala siya ng parang string, hindi siya gloopy, hindi siya nagsasettle sa gilid ng lips. So, it is just so good. Anyway, again, this one is Taffy, a pure rose shade. On my lips is Jelly Bean, a sweet pink. This next one and on my lips is called Marmalade, a lush coral. I like this one. Ang ganda ng kulay. Next is Glaze, a scarlet jam. I like this one as well. Sobrang ganda ng kulay niya sa face. This one is Swirl, which is on my lips right now, and it is a candied ruby. And finally, Punch, a refreshing rogue. Jelly Bean, a sweet pink. Punch, a refreshing rogue. This one is Taffy, a pure rose. Marmalade, a lush coral. Glaze is a scarlet jam. And Swirl, a candied ruby. And eto guys, yung stain na iniiwan ng lip tint. Just look how intense. Super pigmented and talagang nag-iiwan siya ng intense stain and true to tone, diba? I also noticed nga pala na more pigmented yung mga bagong Juicy Dew tints compared dito sa old one. But still, very buildable. More long-lasting din siya. Look at these stains, guys. Grabe. I feel like these stains will last probably up until the next day. In fairness sa mga bagong shades, to be honest, walang tapon ha. Sobrang ganda sa mata ng mga kulay, guys. I feel like any skin tone bagay na bagay. In terms of formula, guys, honestly, very similar sa old. So if you love the old Chuchu Beauty Juicy Dew Tint formula, for sure, you will love the new one as well. And just in case you guys are wondering kung long-lasting ba itong mga Juicy Dew Tint, if hindi nyo pa natatry, here is a proof. Look at that stain. Guys. And ang ganda ng stain niya kasi super even. Yung nasa taas lang yung meron. And as you can see yung kulay, di ba? Sobrang lapit. Kasi usually yung ibang tint, especially yung mga ganitong type, yung mga dewy, kapag ka sinwipe nyo, parang red yung undertone, orange, yung typical. But these ones from Chuchu Beauty, true to tones. So what happens is kapag ka nabura yung gloss or yung dewiness, same pa rin yung color or yung tone na naiiwan niya sa lips. Grabe yung stain na iniiwan. And in case you guys are wondering, ayan guys, yung stain niya hindi nagtatransfer. Ito namang newest formula yung itry natin, which is called the Chuchu Beauty Cloud Matte Tint. Comes in 6 colors and by the way, hindi nga pala first impressions to guys ha, kasi na-test ko na din to. And let me show you how this one applies. And in all fairness sa formula niya, para siyang liquidy once you apply it. As you can see, di ba? Ayan o. It feels wet when you apply it. But look at my lower lips, di ba? It turns into a soft matte kapag ka nag-dry. Really, really nice formula. Hindi siya yung typical matte na, alam niyo yun, sobrang crusty. Very easy to apply as well and even, look at that. Feels very light and airy. And again, look at that, di ba? Compared sa Juicy Dew Tint, this one right here, more of like a soft matte talaga siya. Almost like velvet. Almost no transfer as well, guys. Ayan o. Di ba? On my lips is Marshmallow, a cozy pink. This one is called Wisp, and it is an Ember Peach. Next is Puff, a whipped cherry. Sobrang ganda nito guys. One of my top picks sa Cloud Matte. This one I'm holding and nasa lips ko is called Haze, and it is a hushed cinnamon. On my lips is Dusk, a misty burgundy. Sobrang rich and intense ng pigment nito. And finally, Plush, a moonlit red. Ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. Sobrang timeless and classic. This one is Marshmallow, a cozy pink. Next is Wisp, an Ember Peach. This one is Puff, a whipped cherry. Haze is a hushed cinnamon. Dusk is a misty burgundy. And finally, Plush, a moonlit red. And this one as well, actually. Same with the Juicy Dew Tint. Very intense yung stain. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Grabe. Rich talaga yung pigment na meron siya. And sobrang opaque nung stain na iniiwan. It is also true to color, so you don't have to worry kasi even if mag-fade yung in-apply yung product, close yung kulay niya na iniiwan sa lips. In terms of claims, honestly, I don't have anything negative to say kasi lahat ng claims nila dito sa product na to, totoo. Pigmented, soft matte yung finish, it is lightweight and non-drying, comfortable sa lips, naglalast all day, and also true to tone yung stain. Siguro for me, masasabi ko lang na hindi accurate dito sa product is yung color ng packaging niya sa actual shades. So if you guys are going to buy this, don't rely sa packaging. Make sure to look for swatches kasi deeper yung color ng tints compared sa pinaka-tube. Other than that, wala na ako ibang issues. And look at this, before we end this video guys, meron din silang lip grip and this one is 199 pesos. And sobrang perfect nung size for their lip tint kasi it really hugs the product and it's tight, so hindi siya yung basta-bastang mahuhulog or matatanggal. Ayun na, diba? Look how tight it is. Hindi talaga nagmo-move yung lip tint inside. So, all of these available na ngayon, so make sure to check my description box for the link and also yung shopping basket link sa video. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!